Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Audi A3 gearbox. First, make sure your car is completely off and parked safely. This ensures no unexpected movements during the process. Next, you'll need to locate your accelerator pedal, as it plays a crucial role in initiating the reset sequence. This simple preparation sets the stage for a smooth and effective gearbox reset. Now, with your car off, turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. This powers up the electrical system without engaging the motor. Then, firmly press the accelerator pedal all the way down to the floor. Hold it there for a minimum of 10 seconds. This action signals the car's computer to begin the reset process for the gearbox. After holding the accelerator pedal down for the required time, slowly and smoothly release it. Avoid lifting your foot abruptly. Once the pedal is fully released, turn the ignition completely off and remove the key from the ignition. This step finalizes the reset command, allowing the car's systems to register the change. The gearbox is now ready for its new learning cycle. Finally, start your Audi A3's engine as you normally would. Drive the car as you typically do, allowing the gearbox to adapt to your driving style. It will learn and optimize its shift points based on your input over the next few drives. This adaptation period is crucial for the gearbox to perform optimally and provide a smooth driving experience tailored to you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.